All of our drivers are state licensed inspectors. We offer a free visual inspection and a written evaluation during each pumping. We keep a very accurate record of your system location, depth to covers, condition of system, and measurement of solids in the tank. We'll send or email a reminder to service your tank at the precise time. This process allows us to help diagnose potential problems and helps you get the maximum lifespan of the system. Whether pumping a residential property or a large commercial job, our fleets of universal trucks allow us to be very competitive in all markets.